Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is December 20th, 2024, and I have a question for you. How would you like to own a piece of the internet? Yes, seriously. How about you owning a piece of the internet? You can with Dabba and the Dabba network. What's Dabba? Dabba is based out of India. And Dabba helps to deliver high-speed internet access to where it's needed most, India. And I've done a few videos, and in one of the videos, I cited a few statistics for data usage in India. One of the pieces of data is mobile data in India will grow by more than double in 2024. And when you're doing your due diligence on this product and this crypto project and buying a hotspot for $199 and have the potential of getting a couple $100 to a couple $1,000 in passive income, don't take my word for it. I'm going to have a link below with all of the hundreds of pieces of data information, mobile data information in 2024 for India. So as you're doing your due diligence, don't take my word for it. Look at the link below and you could do your own research to let you know that what I was saying was actually accurate. So check out the link below. My referral link is below. If you would use that, I would appreciate it. That would help the 130 families that we help support down in Guatemala. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And again, check out the link below and you could verify the mobile broadband traffic index, as well as many other statistics to let you know that data usage in India is going off the chart. Anyhow, love y'all. Bye-bye.